In this video, I'm going to explain to you what a TikTok shop is and why it's a massive opportunity for entrepreneurs. TikTok barely needs any introduction. It's a massive video sharing app with almost 2 billion users worldwide. The app is used by people of all ages as an outlet to express themselves through singing, dancing, comedy, and lip syncing. It allows users to create videos and share these across the TikTok community. With its personalized feeds of quirky short videos set to music and sound effects, the app is notable for its addictive quality and high levels of engagement. So what is a TikTok shop? A TikTok shop enables brands to showcase their products directly on the TikTok platform for TikTok users to browse and buy. With TikTok shops, entertainment meets commerce through authentic and relatable shopping content, sparking inspiration to purchase. With an all-in-app experience, users are not redirected to shopping websites or apps, which means a higher conversion rate and more sales. In this example, I've searched for an iPhone from the TikTok shop tab, and I've come across products from a company called 𝒂𝒑𝒏. All these products are available to purchase directly from within TikTok without having to go to any other sites. So what are the benefits of selling through a TikTok shop? Firstly, massive audience. Through TikTok, you can reach up to 1.7 billion people worldwide. TikTok shops are low risk. It's free to set up an account and you only pay commission when an item sells. TikTok shops enable you to harness the power of TikTok's thousands of creatives to promote your products. You can offer affiliate commission to TikTok's creators, which is paid to creators on top of TikTok's own marketplace fee. Setting up a TikTok shop is easy. All you need to do is register for a business account and then upload your products. There is no technical design or expertise required. TikTok has its own seller center, similar to Amazon Seller Central, where sellers can upload their products and manage their offers. So how can you sell your products on TikTok Shop? There are 4 ways of doing this. Live shopping events are a great way to get excitement around a sale event. Brands can host live shopping events to promote their products. During these events, they can chat with customers in real time and encourage them to purchase. Here's an example of a sale event of a company selling toilet paper in bulk.
Now, Rod's got 108 bundle, free delivery, 35% off, links 3 down below, order and check out now.
And here's a second example with a company selling clothing.
So happy with my orange one, it's unreal. It's so nice in it, Levi. The next colour that's their popular is the red, I can't lie. The red's like selling out.
Yeah, the red is so crazy.
Every brand on TikTok has a shop. This is where the brand showcases their products and it's like their homepage on TikTok. TikTok users can buy directly from the brand on this page. Here's an example of a product selling everyday grocery items. Shoppable videos are a great way to get TikTok creatives to promote your products in exchange for a commission. TikTok operates an affiliate program where creators promote products in exchange for a commission if a product sells. The commission level is set by the seller. The higher the commission, the more creators will promote it. Creators could create shoppable videos to showcase products, which link through to the products for purchase. Here's an example of a creator who is promoting a toilet paper deal.
£10. This deal is not to be missed. If you want to see this is a new customer deal. Hit the yellow basket down the bottom left and you can get some right now.
Do you want to know why the toilet roll aisle at supermarket?
The Shop tab shows featured brands and offers created by TikTok. It lets users find your product's assortment, shoppable content, and promoted campaigns all in one place. From here, browsers can discover new brands, offers, view their orders, and message sellers. So what are the costs of selling on TikTok? TikTok charges a 5% commission on all sales. Any affiliate payments to creators are on top of this. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.